Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're a subscriber, and hello if this is the first time you're checking out my channel. So today's episode is actually very special as the 1st of August is Yorkshire Day. So happy Yorkshire Day everybody. This is also my 1000 subscribers video. As some of you may be aware, I have teamed up with Steenbergs to do a 1000 subscribers giveaway. Please do stick around to the end of the video where you'll find out how to enter. Okay, so it's time to get straight into today's video, guys. Today's episode is how to cook Yorkshire pudding wraps. As usual, guys, all the ingredients you need are on the right hand side of the screen. Okay guys, this is where I'm quiet now. Enjoy the video and I'll be back at the end to explain the giveaway. But quickly guys, if you do enjoy today's video, please give it a like, consider subscribing and drop a comment below. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. It really means a lot to me. If you liked it, please do drop a like below and a comment, and please do consider subscribing. Okay guys, on to the important bit, the competition, the giveaway. So this giveaway is sponsored by Steenberg's, and they are proposing to give away 6 jars of herbs and spices, as well as Steenberg's bone china mug and tea towel. These both show the design of the Steenberg's spoons that has been designed by local Yorkshire artist Rob Blades. Now you need to head over to my Instagram page or my Facebook page, find the competition post, read through all the rules on there, and make sure to follow them to be entered. You can also comment below in the comments your Instagram name or your Facebook name, and this counts as an extra entry into this giveaway. So good luck guys, I'll see you on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye for now.